I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Index scale to Wi-Fi. First, ensure you have the Garmin Connect app installed and updated on your smartphone. You will also need your Wi-Fi network name and password ready. Place your Garmin Index scale within a good range of your Wi-Fi router for optimal signal strength. This initial preparation is key for a smooth setup process. Next, open the Garmin Connect app and navigate to the Garmin Devices section. Here, select Add Device, and then choose your specific Garmin Index scale model from the list. The app will then guide you to put your scale into pairing mode, which usually involves pressing a button on the back or bottom of the device. Follow these on-screen prompts carefully. Once your scale is in pairing mode, the Garmin Connect app will automatically scan for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. From the list presented, select your home Wi-Fi network. You will then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. It is crucial to enter this password accurately, as even a single incorrect character can prevent a successful connection. Double-check your entry. Finally, confirm the successful Wi-Fi connection on your Garmin Index scale's display. You should see a confirmation message or icon. To initiate the first measurement and data sync, simply step onto the scale. After your weight is recorded, open the Garmin Connect app to verify that your weight and other health metrics have been successfully uploaded and are visible in your profile. Congratulations on connecting your scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.